The MewMore WHT20 Water Filter Housing offers a robust solution for house water filtration, accommodating large 20-inch by 4.5-inch filters to efficiently purify both well and city water. Built with high-flow reinforced polypropylene, this filter housing ensures durability and resistance to both corrosion and water pressure, providing a long-lasting and reliable filtration system. Its design incorporates a pressure relief button, a 1-inch inlet, brass thread port, and a double O-ring, which collectively prevent any water leakage over extended periods of use. The WHT20 is crafted from food-grade, lead-free, and BPA-free materials, aligning with NSF standards to ensure a safe and non-toxic water filtering experience. Installation is simplified with included tools such as a heavy-duty steel mounting bracket, wrench, and screws, making it accessible for users to set up and maintain. For those seeking customizable filtration, the housing allows for DIY inline setups using various cartridge types, enhancing water quality based on specific needs.